Hello everyone, welcome back to day 5 of our 30-day English Fluency Challenge on Learn with Riaz. I am Riaz.
And I am Emma. We are so happy to see your dedication again today. Ready to build more confidence?
Absolutely, but before we start practicing today's 120 sentences, please take a second to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay with us throughout this challenge.
Yes, make sure to subscribe so you never miss day 6 tomorrow. Let's start the practice. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
What is your favorite hobby?
I really love taking landscape photographs.
Did you receive my package yet?
Yes, the courier delivered it this morning.
Is it going to freeze tonight?
No, the temperature is quite stable.
Can you open the front gate?
Sure, let me get the keys.
Where did you buy that shirt?
I got it from a local store.
Do you need a blanket?
No, thank you. I am warm enough.
How was your flight yesterday?
It was smooth and very comfortable.
Should we order a pizza?
Yes, let's get a large one.
What time does your shift end?
I finish my work at 5 p.m.
Can I borrow your umbrella today?
Of course, it is behind the door.
Did you read the daily news?
No, I haven't checked my phone yet.
Why are you so quiet?
I am just thinking about a problem.
Is the elevator working now?
Yes, it was fixed an hour ago.
Where do you want to eat?
Let's go to the new diner.
Have you ever seen a waterfall?
Yes, I saw a beautiful one last summer.
Can you turn up the heat?
Sure, it is a bit chilly here.
What are you looking at?
I am looking at that old painting.
Did you check the lock again?
Yes, the door is tightly secured.
How do you feel about this?
I think it is an excellent plan.
Can we stop for a minute?
Yes, my legs are getting tired.
Do you know the way back?
Yes, I remember the landmarks clearly.
What is your favorite season?
I like the fresh air of spring.
Are you busy this weekend?
No, I have no specific plans.
Can you say that once more?
I said we need to leave soon.
Where is the ticket counter?
It is right at the main entrance.
Did you get my email response?
Yes, I read it just now.
What do you think of this color?
It looks very bright and cheerful.
Do you prefer fruit or juice?
I prefer eating fresh, whole fruits.
Is this your notebook here?
No, mine has a green cover.
How do I look in this?
You look absolutely wonderful and elegant.
Can you carry this laptop?
Sure, hand it over to me.
When does the lecture begin?
It begins in 15 minutes sharp.
Are you feeling sleepy now?
A little bit. It was a long day.
Where did you get that ring?
It was a gift from my grandmother.
Can you show me the file?
Yes, it is open on my desk.
What are we waiting for now?
We are waiting for our food order.
Do you have a spare key?
Yes, I keep one in my drawer.
Is it too loud in this hall?
Yes, let's step outside for a bit.
How much do I owe you?
Don't worry, it is my treat today.
Can you hand me the menu?
Here it is. Take a look.
Did you wake up early today?
Yes, I woke up at 5 a.m.
What is your ultimate dream?
to travel around the whole world.
Are you ready to start writing?
Yes, my pen and paper are ready.
Can you dim the room lights?
Sure, let me turn them down.
What is making that sound?
It is just the wind outside.
Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, it always brings great results.
Where is the nearest petrol pump?
It is 2 blocks away from here.
Did you find your missing keys?
Yes, they were inside my bag.
What time does the mall close?
It closes at 11 p.m. tonight.
Can I have a small sip?
Yes, the juice is very refreshing.
Are you upset with the delay?
No, these things happen sometimes anyway.
How many cousins do you have?
I have a very large extended family.
Can we discuss this tomorrow morning?
Yes, that is much better for me.
What is your favorite historical place?
I love visiting old, ancient castles.
Is it safe to cross now?
Yes, the traffic light has turned green.
How do I reset this device?
Hold down the power button tightly.
Do you need any assistance here?
No thanks, I am almost finished.
Where did you buy this watch?
I ordered it online last month.
Can you keep this safe for me?
Yes, I will put it in my locker.
What are you baking right now?
I am baking some chocolate chip cookies.
Did you check the backyard?
Yes, everything looks perfectly fine there.
How do you keep track of time?
I use the watch on my wrist.
Can I call you this evening?
Sure, I am free after 6 p.m.
What month is it now?
It is the month of July.
Is this coffee hot enough?
Yes, it is perfect. Thank you.
How long is the train journey?
It takes about 3 hours total.
Can you give me a clue?
It is something you use daily.
What are you drafting right now?
I am drafting a formal business letter.
Did you call your friend yesterday?
Yes, we talked for a long time.
Is there anything you want to drink?
Just a glass of cold water, please.
How do you spell your name?
It is spelled E-M-M-A.
Can we get there by train?
Yes, the station is very near.
What brings you to this exhibition?
I wanted to see the modern art.
Is the grocery store open now?
Yes, it opens very early every day.
How often do you clear your files?
I organize them once every week.
Can you hand me that marker?
Here it is on the whiteboard.
What is is wrong with the television?
The remote control needs new batteries.
Did you hear the fire alarm?
No, it must have been a test.
Is this camera too heavy?
No, it is quite light and small.
How do you stay so motivated?
By setting small, clear daily goals.
Can I leave my jacket here?
Yes, hang it over that chair.
What is your favorite indoor game?
I really love playing chess.
Did you drop your ticket?
No, it is safe in my pocket.
Is it easy to understand me?
Yes, your accent is very clear.
How can I practice my speaking?
By joining our daily fluency challenge.
Can you recommend a nice movie?
You should watch an inspiring family drama.
What time do we meet tomorrow?
Let's meet at the exact same hour.
Did you sign the application form?
Yes, I handed it in already.
Is there a garden nearby?
Yes, it is just behind this building.
How do I get more lessons?
Make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Can you bring me the notepad?
Yes, I will bring it right now.
What is your goal for tomorrow?
To crush day 6 with full energy.
Did you enjoy practicing today?
Yes, this session was absolutely brilliant.
We successfully completed 120 sentences.
Wow, incredible job, everyone. You have successfully finished day 5 of our Fluency Challenge.
Excellent. You all did amazing today. Type Day 5 done in the comment section so we can personally see your progress.
Please share this video with your friends and family to see if they can finish the challenge too.
See you tomorrow for Day 6 on Learn with Riaz. Take care of yourselves and goodbye.
Bye-bye, everyone.